Is RunComfy free? You've probably seen the sign up page and wondered whether you can actually use it without paying. In the next few minutes, we break down every plan, every cost, and whether it's worth it. RunComfy is a cloud platform that gives you a fully working Comfy UI environment in your browser. No Python install, no GPU required. You get the real Comfy UI synced with official releases running on their servers. Here's the direct answer to the keyword. RunComfy is free to sign up. No credit card required. But you need credits to actually run GPU jobs. The free entry point is real, the free compute is not. Pay-as-you-go has no subscription. You pay by the second. CPU machines are 50 cents per hour. A T4 GPU, the entry level, is 99 cents per hour. An A100 costs $4.99 per hour, billed to the second. Pro is $29.99 per month, or $19.99 monthly billed yearly. You get 20% off all GPU rates, 20 free CPU hours per month, a $10 monthly credit, 200 gigabytes storage, and unlimited saved workflow environments. 3 things set RunComfy apart. First, zero setup Comfy UI, the real thing, in a browser tab. Second, the auto setup agent that reads your workflow JSON and installs all required nodes automatically. Third, 200 plus ready-to-run workflow templates. Sign up free, no credit card, add credits to your balance. Open a workflow from the template library or upload your own. Pick a GPU size, hit run, your Comfy UI environment saves automatically for next time. RunComfy offers 7 GPU tiers, 16 gigabytes VRAM on a T4, up to 141 gigabytes VRAM on an H200. You only pay for the tier you pick, billed to the second. Shut it down when done, charges stop. RunComfy claims over 1 million creators and developers on the platform. That makes it one of the largest cloud Comfy UI hosts in existence. Trustpilot sits at 3.3 out of 5. The positive camp loves the zero setup experience. The negative camp is frustrated by billing that starts the moment a machine boots, even while you're just loading the interface. Power users highlight the speed advantage of cloud model downloads, a 7 gigabytes checkpoint in seconds instead of hours on home internet, and the ability to spin up 80 gigabytes VRAM for one demanding job without buying new hardware. The single best thing about RunComfy: no GPU rig needed. Comfy UI is notoriously hard to set up locally. RunComfy removes the entire install chain: Python conflicts, CUDA errors, VRAM limits. You just open a browser. The biggest limitation? Billing starts when the machine starts, not when your generation runs. Loading Comfy UI, installing a node, saving a project, all metered. On an H100 at $7.49 per hour, idle time adds up fast. The most direct alternative is RunPod, a cloud GPU platform where you can self-host Comfy UI on any GPU tier you need. More setup involved than RunComfy, but lower per hour cost and more flexibility. For developers, it's the go-to fallback. RunComfy is free to sign up and explore. The moment you want GPU compute, you pay by the second. For occasional Comfy UI users without a local GPU, it's cost-effective. For daily heavy use, the Pro plan at $19.99 per month makes more sense. If you found this useful, subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns.